Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold is a long term bearish market. We saw that from this monthly resistance, gold has triggered all time high and then rejected immediately towards the downside, has broken all this recent monthly level of support. Now, with that break, we have seen that gold has created a new lower low as it is a long term bearish market now. As we see that there is no significant level of support here and there is an imbalance in that zone, we can expect gold to come down and to break this low. Now if we look at the weekly to see overall picture, now from the weekly perspective we see that there is a also a strong liquidity gap on the weekly with this long week candle. The price has in fact come back to this range. The price was moving in that narrow range on the weekly quite a few weeks, and then we have seen this breakdown. Now with this weekly breakdown, we saw that gold in fact has come to another liquidity zone. This is a previous support level has broken. Once the price triggered that liquidity along with this 20 EMA, we saw that primarily a rejection. Now because it's a long term downtrend, now the price has gone up for a pullback. What I think that sellers will try to sell again. At least we could see another retest of this support level before moving up or even breaking towards the downside in the upcoming days. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that this is the daily price action. Previous day there was an unusual movement to the upside. In fact, it's a liquidity grab, as you can see from both sides. Now today we saw that the price has crossed this previous daily high and created an all-time high, triggered the liquidity, and we saw that gold in fact has a rejection. Now today we saw that with that rejection, the price in another important zone, there are a narrow doji. You can see there is a narrow doji here, and with that narrow doji on gold, this is a high liquidity zone, and we can expect gold to come back down to fill that imbalance in that area. So from the daily perspective as well, we can expect gold come down to fill that gap. So monthly, weekly and daily giving a high probability for potential bearish trading opportunity. So from the intraday perspective, we saw that there was in fact previous session there was a bullish move, and as expected from that resistance level, we saw that gold has a rejection after breaking this swing high. Gold has immediate drop from that level, coming to another support level. What I think that, as you can see, the price already below this support and below the previous session's candle. Also there is a liquidity along with this 4-hour 20 EMA. What I think that as the price triggered one liquidity, it will come back down to another liquidity zone as price moves from liquidity to liquidity. Now if we look at 15 minutes price action to see where we can find entry, as you can see there is in fact a strong impulse here in that zone correction. We can expect another impulse as we see that there is a reversal pattern here, consolidation on the lower time frame breakdown, corrected, tested this neckline of this reversal pattern here as a resistance, and we are seeing the price now slowly turning to bearish market. We have a potential for this price to move down to this level. This is where we will be waiting for a potential selling opportunity on the lower time frame. So as soon as we will find suitable entry on gold, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.